Addressing the network. An IPv4 address is used to unequally identify a host on a TCP/IP network. An IPv4 address is made up of 32-bit number, which is expressed in 4 octets. Each octet contains each byte. When working with an IPv4 address, each octet is converted to a base 10 decimal notation and is separated by a period. Normally, IPv4 addresses are not represented as a hexadecimal number. However, the newer IPv6 address is generally represented in a hexadecimal number because it is much layer number, 128 bits. IPv6 addresses will not be covered in this article. From this point, an IPv4 address will simply be referred to as IP addresses. IPv4 addresses are 32-bit number written in the dotted decimal format. The network prefix and the host number are the two main components of 32-bit address. A single network host all have the same network address. Each host has its own address that is used to identify it. An IPv4 address is commonly expressed as 4 8-bit fields separated by period and written in decimal digits. Each byte of the IPv4 address is represented by an 8-bit field. The dotted decimal format is a way of encoding the bytes of an IPv4 address. For a total of 32 bits, IP addresses are written in 4 sets and 3-digit representation of 8 bytes of binary in base 10 format notation. Periods starting at 0 in binary are used to separate the groups. The largest number in a group is 255.